word problems on large numbers.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from learnfatafat.com.
Example: express 1 kilometer into millimeters. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, which is equals to 1000 multiplied by 1 meter. But 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
So 1 kilometer equals to 1000 multiplied by 100 centimeter, which is equals to 1 lakh centimeter, or 1 lakh into 1 centimeter. But 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeters. So 1 kilometer equals to 1 lakh multiplied by 10 millimeters. Therefore, 1 kilometer equals to 10 lakhs millimeter. Next example. How many pieces can be made with a wire of total length 3 kilometers 540 meter such that each piece is 6 meter long? Let's understand the question first. Suppose this is a wire of length 3 km 540 meter. We have to divide this wire so as to make 6 meter long pieces. We have to find how many such pieces we can make from the given length. To solve this, let's write one piece of wire has length 6 meter. Then from 3 km 540 meter length of wire, we can form X number of pieces. To find number of pieces, we have to find value of X. We can find it by cross multiplication. So 1 into 3 km 540 meter is equals to X into 6 meter.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Or X multiplied by 6 meter is equals to 3 km 540 meter. Dividing both sides by 6 meter, we get number of pieces X equals to 3 km 540 meter divided by 6 meter. We cannot perform this division because the units in both terms are not same. We can make calculations only when the units are same. To make units similar, the best way is to find unit of smallest measurement. Here, smallest measurement is 6 and its unit is meter. So, we have to convert larger measurement here 3 km 540 meter in meter. It can be done like this. Since 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter, therefore 3 kilometers equals to 3 multiplied by 1000 meter, which is equals to 3000 meter. And 3 kilometers 540 meter equals to 3000 meter plus 540 meter, which is equals to 3540 meter. Now we have similar units, so we can write number of pieces X equals to 3540 meter divided by 6 meter. If we divide 3540 by 6, then the answer will be 590. It means that number of pieces is equals to 590. Another example. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 2 kg 250 gram. How many such boxes can be filled from 612 kg? Let's understand the question first. We have 612 kg amount of medicine. We have to pack this medicine in boxes. But we can pack only 2 kg 250 gram in one box. We need to find number of boxes for packing 612 kg of medicine. To solve this, let's write one box of medicine has mass 2 kg 250 gram. For 612 kg, there will be x number of boxes. So, let's perform cross multiplication. 1 into 612 kilogram is equals to x into 2 kilogram 250 gram, or x into 2 kilogram 250 gram is equals to 612 kilogram. Dividing both sides by 2 kilogram 250 gram,
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Therefore, number of boxes x equals to 612 kilogram divided by 2 kilogram 250 gram. To perform division, let's make units similar by converting all terms in grams. Since 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, therefore 2 kilogram 250 gram is equals to 2000 gram plus 250 gram, which is equals to 2250 gram, and 612 kilogram is equals to 6,12,000 gram. Number of boxes x equals to 6,12,000 gram divided by 2250 gram. Units are similar, so let's divide two numbers. Since there are 4 digits in divisor, so select 4 digits of dividend. 6120 is greater than 2250, so we can divide it. Neglect last 3 digits of both numbers. Find a number which when multiplied with 2 produce result less than or equal to 6. It is number 3. So 3 can be suitable quotient. Let's verify if it is. Multiply divisor 2250 by 3. We get number 6705, which is greater than 6120. So we cannot take 3 as a quotient. Select a smaller number than 3, which is 2. 2 times 2250 is 4500, which is less than 6120. So we can use 2 as quotient.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The division with quotient 2 leaves remainder 1620. Bring down next digit, that is 0. Number becomes 16200. Neglect last 3 digits of both numbers. Here 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 can be suitable quotient. Let's verify it. 2250 multiplied by 8 is equals to 17,740, which is greater than 16,200. So let's take smaller number than 8, that is 7 as a quotient, with which we get 2250 multiplied by 7 is equals to 15,750. So 7 is quotient and remainder is 450. Bring down next 0. Number becomes 4500. 2 times 2250 is 4500. So quotient is 2 and remainder is 0. Dividing the two numbers, we get 272 as a quotient. Thus, number of boxes is equals to 272.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Next example. A container contains 1509 boxes containing 57 toys each. How many total toys are there in the container? Solution. We know that total number of boxes are 1509. Each box contains 57 toys. we have to find total number of toys. So let's arrange the given question. There are boxes and toys in them. One box contains 57 toys. So 1509 boxes will contain X number of toys. Let's perform cross multiplication. 1 multiplied by X is equals to 1509 multiplied by 57. So number of toys X equals to 1509 multiplied by 57. The product gives 86,013. So total number of toys are 86,013. Next example. Given are the populations of 3 different cities. Calculate their total population. Write all numbers in vertical form such that the digits in the same place are in same column. Add ones or units place values. If carry is generated, then add it to next digit. Go on adding digits to find the sum.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on Learn Fatafat Android app. Download the app now.
The sum is 19,48,030. So I hope you understood the explained topic very well. Thanks for watching this video.
Like, share and subscribe learnfatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from learnfatafat.com.